Hello friends, we are yet again live with another mystery unboxing that we need to do, and this time this is from Huawei, and this is my first invite to their Huawei Joburg Day. It's a special package that has been created for the Huawei Joburg Day, which says Huawei Mate 40 Pro. So that is their latest smartphone, and just look at this bag. This is absolutely gorgeous, and this will definitely be my day-to-day backpack from now onwards, because I was looking for something of this sort in canvas or something in leather. So the leather wall is still pending, which I need to check and buy from some place, but at least canvas one is here with me. So let's see what we have, what Huawei has sent us, as well as 947 for the Joburg Day. So this is a nice magnetic clip, and then you have two pockets here to keep your things, and we'll cover the bag little later. So just let's focus on the contents of the bag. So the first thing is this beautiful hoodie that we have in grey color, which says Huawei Joburg Day, and you can all be part of this online Huawei Joburg Day festival, and then watch. The music will be played by Mikasa and many other famous artists from across the South Africa. So let's see what the next item will be. So the next item is a 947 multifunctional headwear, or we generally call it buff. So I use it every winters because to cover my neck as well as my head, because my immunity is very less, and then I generally get sick very easily. So these kind of buffs really keep me safe. Now this has become a necessity. People are using buffs also to do work as a mask also. So moving on, the next item is this Huawei mini speaker, which is very beautiful in this green color, as you can see. So this is a mini speaker from Huawei, and I have been looking to review this one from so long. So this is a stereo pair with deep bass, amazing sound, and portable design. So this is in emerald green color, and it's a single piece speaker. So this also comes in a dual speaker band if you want to put it across your room. So but this will be perfect for 947 night to listen to all the good music by various DJs and artists across South Africa. So the next item is this beautiful bottle of gin from Algo di Frente. So this might be the new launch bottle. And secondly, we also got a champagne, which is signature DJ Ginhale edition. As you already know, this famous DJ is very famous in South Africa, and this is her brand, VVLD Luxury Nectar Boulevard Method Cap Classic. This is definitely a great champagne. So keeping it on this side. So what else we have? And I think that's it. And they also have given us a kind of recipes as to how to make the gins, and it has Mikasa photograph. Mikasa you already know, so it's called Gin, which is a very nice name. And then you can create with oranges, olives, honey, tomato, and so this is his company. So Mikasa, this particular gin is Mikasa's gin. So thank you Huawei for the gin as well as the champagne. And in the last we have this personalized Huawei Joburg Day invite, where it says that, dear Ashish, your weekend just leveled up, and they have asked us to be there on Friday 28th May at 4 p.m. and it will be you can watch it live on 947.co.za, as well as you can listen it on 944.7 FM radio, as well as you can watch it on TikTok live. also, so that will be a new addition. I am not sure whether it was there last year, but this time you can definitely be part of it, of this program on TikTok also. And then the hashtags to be used are Huawei Joburg Day as well as 947 Joburg. And the artists which I was talking about are Good Luck, Mikasa, Jesse Clegg, Black Motion featuring Brandon Praise and Masaki, Prime Circle and DJ Zinhale. And there will be a lot, all the 947 presenters and celebrity fans will be there, and all those people who are supporting Huawei in their day-to-day promotions, they all will be there, I hope. So this is definitely something which is a very good invite. And just to look further into the bag, so if you are able to see, it's a laptop bag, and then we can easily store our laptop here, and it has a lot of capacity. So coming to the zips on the side, so it has plenty of things that it can carry easily. And then on the side there are pockets to carry water bottles, as you could see. So that's it for today. I'm very thankful to Huawei for sending this gift, and keep following my channel and do subscribe. Thank you very much. Bye bye.